citrus fruits. Today we have some local limes from our neighbors out back, literally straight off their tree. They're amazing. So if you get them from your grocery store, they should be the same, just without the leaves. This goes for most citrus fruits. Grapefruits and oranges are a little different. If you're juicing them, this methodology will still work. Same tree, same branch, different sizes. It happens. So I couldn't tell you offhand which would be full of more juice or readily usable juice. The same thing goes for, again, most citrus. One of the ways that you can extract the juice from them is to roll them on a flat surface to break down some of that cellular structure and those cellular walls, just so it can provide you with the maximum yield of juice. Literally just under your heel, over the cutting board, not trying to break it open, but just to crush some of those segments to release some of its juice. Now, we have the vine stem, and then we have the end. Most people cut it directly in between that hemisphere to squeeze out the juice. If you're using a juicer, that works. What I like to do is cut it vertically on the ends, so I have 3 pieces of lime left and I can squeeze to extract juice from. And I'll show you that here. So I'm gonna make 1 vertical cut to the left side, 1 vertical cut. So I have 3 pieces. Plenty of lime juice, not all the lime waste. If you want to make lime wedges, again, you can cut that third off, and you can make a cut down the middle, and another cut in the middle of that, and another cut in the middle of that. So here you have lime wedges, garnish with drinks or salad. Then you want slices. Straight down. It's always best to work with a flat side so there's no rocking on the table. And you can just make those slices. You can make a small incision in the middle. It'll hang right on the rim. Or not. But there you have it. Fresh citrus.